Welcome to Skyline Digital Creations.
Miss World contests for 2019 are over and Miss Tony Ann Singh, Miss Mezzino and Miss Suman Rao were awarded as Miss World and first, second runner-up respectively. Now the interesting matter is how they were selected. What is the criteria? Many of us interested to know the selection process and ability norms that are considered while selecting the Miss World. Apart from the tests such as head-to-head contest, modeling, sports, talent test, multimedia test and beauty with a purpose tests, reliability, marketability and how they are engaged during the period of the contest will also be taken for final selection. Others should believe that the contestant is knowledgeable and experienced so that one can depend on them. The contestants should catch the eye of others with their movements, looks and mannerism. The contestant should be a happy, humble and behave like a good human. For getting eligibility, the contestant should be a female aged between 18 to 28 years, should be unmarried and they should be sponsored by their respective countries. The height should be above 5.5 feet, and does not matter about their knowledge in English. They can arrange translators while answering the questions of judges. Now let us observe what type of questions judges asks while conducting one-to-one tests and question of the day contest. What would you speak if you get a chance to interact with the top political leaders of the world? Who deserve the highest salary? What you do to arrest cyber crimes? The purpose of you becoming the Miss World? Some of the problems of the present-day world. How you feel being a woman. The answers are mostly hypothetical. They mostly applaud their mother, their brought-up, childhood problems they have faced and about their country. They mostly tell the glory of their mother and motherhood. They break out and become emotional while speaking about their mother, childhood and their country. Now we watch talents and greatness of some of the Miss World. Priyanka Chopra, the Wonder Girl from India, won the Miss World title in 2000. The most self-made and self-confident woman born on 1982. She is an actress, singer, film producer and winner of Padma Shri in 2016. She won Filmfare Award, National Film Award and listed in Forbes listed as world's 100 most powerful women. As a philanthropist she has worked with UNICEF. She promotes social causes such as environment, health, education, women's rights and gender equality. Aishwarya Rai, born in 1973 at Mangalore, a famous Indian Idol and Miss World 1994. Her parents are Mr. Krishnarai Raj and Mrs. Brindya Rao. She was awarded Padma Shri in 2009, awards for French governments and she has won awards from Filmfare. She acted in Maniratnam's Irabar which was a big hit. After success of her film Jeans, she became very popular actress in Tamil, Telugu and Hindi films.
కన్నులతో చూసేది గురువా కనులకు సొంతమౌనా కనులకు సొంతమౌనా కన్నుల్లో కను పాపై నీవు కన్ను విడిపోలేవు ఇక నన్ను విడిపోలేవు.
माना अनजान है तू मेरे वास्ते, माना अनजान हूँ मैं तेरे वास्ते। मैं तुझको जान लूँ तू मुझको जान ले, आ दिल के पास आ, इस दिल के रास्ते।
Diana Hayden was born in Hyderabad in an Anglo-Indian family. She did modeling and event management. She is the third Indian woman to win Miss World. Rita Faria, Miss India 1994. A medical student from Mumbai University. Yukta Mukhi is an Indian actress from Mumbai. She is the winner of Miss World 1999. She acted in Hindi film Pyasa, Mem Sahib and Love in Japan. Thus there are 5 Indian women awarded Miss World so far. Miss Sushmita Sen got award of Miss Universe.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Skyline Digital Creations. Thanks for watching the video.